How to appear offline on Microsoft Teams. To appear offline on Microsoft Teams, it's rather quite simple to do so. You go ahead and then launch the Teams app, and this is the interface that you'll see. Then, basically, when you're online, everybody on the meeting is notified that you're online. You don't want this to be the case, and maybe you want to show it as offline, or you want to turn off the green dot completely. For that, tap the profile icon in the top left of the screen. Then here you'll find the option called Available. You tap on that Available button and you change that to appear offline. This means that even when you're online and using the app, no one will know that you're online because it is showing offline on your status. This way you can basically appear offline on Teams app. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end and see you in the next video.